The Mwachibim Samuel Kwabado, Badum TV, Badwam Jumadi, so Yada Apostle Dr. Anita Kutegwas. And in Cranshan Sama with their braid, they do sorry a Badwam Cassie, and some near to the Mubia, Ubeti, any Esiaqua. A mam, you know, ya one more codini, Pabon Fon Samo, one Nigeriano. A post for Bichimu, quiet first, so ma, one copy mu ewo. There is some no ebe brow, na ya kwa share any pa enum. Ya yatre wo mo effort tutu obi ekoso e wo san winning bia e wo esiaw eno ne nsem bi na no pay mede browse Adom TV Badwam kase wo hwe e wo Facebook/Adom TV and YouTube Adom TV 2 Go TV 119 DSTV 280 midi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de bientie se den nsem ni chiremu ankasa etie Director General Criminal Investigations Department DCOP Lydia Danko ene wodi atoja chiremu se nipa mienu ma ya won kodi nipa bonfo nsem wo Nigeria memo no de nam so ma won kodi ho no social media so no won moye ho abrofo so won ba wa won ti won hia wo Nigeria wi akire se nyanya me na ba mu ankene woto na nanom nsie do akase yi etoso.
Victims Anastasia, Bedu, Atta, and Evelyn Sewa Kunedu were then rescued. Suspects Peter Okoye and Christian Emeka, both Nigerians, indicated to police that they were in Ghana in the year 2019 to work with QNet. They left Ghana for Nigeria in 2020, but Christian Emeka returned to Ghana in June 2024. Peter Okoye, Christian Emeka, and Basil Okonkwo are all Nigerians. They were into romance camp both in Ghana and in Nigeria. They operate through their Facebook and other social media handles. These suspects met the two victims, Anastasia, Bedu, Atta, and Evelyn Sewa Kunedu, through their Facebook accounts. Suspects posed as white men who wanted to marry the victims. The two unsuspecting victims became convinced, accepted the marriage proposal. The suspects then lured them to Nigeria, and the victims traveled separately, but ended up at the same location on the same day on 22nd of April 2025. On reaching the location in Nigeria at Port Harcourt, Onitsha, Peter Okoye and his two accomplices kidnapped them. The three suspects stripped the two victims naked, tied them up, assaulted them with cutlasses, threatened to kill them with a knife, wrapped them in an orange bedsheet with their heads covered with black polythene, and threatened to hang them with a nylon rope. All these violent acts perpetrated against the victims were recorded on video, disseminated on social media, and also a copy was sent to the victims' families with a demand for ransom of 500,000 cedis from each of the victims' families. A total of 18,000 Ghana cedis was paid to various phone numbers from the families. As of today, both suspects and victims are with the Nigerian authorities, and efforts are being made to transport the victims to Ghana and also extradite the suspects to Ghana to assist investigations.
Yatwaso na DCOP Lydia Danko so twaso e won sam foforo emu enso a ene make say wo ma chere nipa enum bia wosusuo se tututuo ya ekoso ema ebinu mato na nanom nsiedo e wo esiya no emu nsemni.
Police command commenced investigation into a shooting incident which resulted in the death of 5 people at Esiya near Akwani Dobro in Sawom. The police crime scene team which responded to the incident found the lifeless bodies of 5 male adults with gunshot wounds. No other persons were met at the scene. The team recovered the following items from the scene: 1 Toyota Tacoma vehicle, 1 Toyota Tundra vehicle, 1 pump action gun with 17 live cartridges, 4 empty cartridges, and 3 7.62 39mm empty shells, 1 9mm empty shell, and 5 heavy-duty motorbikes. Preliminary investigation suggested that there was a confrontation between two groups over sand winning at the location of the incident. The bodies of the deceased were deposited at the police hospital mortuary for preservation, identification, and autopsy while investigation continued to get the perpetrators arrested. Through sustained intelligence operations, we have so far arrested 5 suspects in connection with this case. The suspects are 1, Samuel Atuforsin alias Alanyo. The second is Freeheart Kweku Sedonu. The third is Kwesi Prince. The fourth is Benjamin Ajaleko. The fifth is a gentleman known as 1 Million. 4 of the suspects were subsequently arraigned before the Osino District Court on 2nd May 2025, where suspects Samuel Atuforsin, Freeheart Kweku Sedonu, and Kwesi Prince were remanded into prison custody, while Benjamin Ajaliko was remanded into police custody. They had to reappear before the court on 8th May 2025. It will be recalled that on 30th April 2025, just a day coincidentally after the murder of the 5 people at Esial, the Western Central Regional Police Command arrested 3 people for unlawful possession of arms and ammunition at Boodie Wasa Ikropong in the Western region. And I must mention that this arrest was due to the diligence of the policemen who were on duty at that particular barrier.
Adom TV, Badwam Kasiana Uguso, Shadona Huboa war in Sro Ye Babato or Memuno, Parliamentary Select Committee on Works and Housing, and Neabo Praco or Dona, Potamo Ho Quaque, or Dono Study, Edumano El Coswo yet Tim, Netumia Boama in Soto and Baby Afako.
I believe that once we have the district assemblies around, issues on sanitation falls within their jurisdiction. And we have all the good laws in Ghana, but the big challenge that we have is enforcement of our laws. And I believe that, like the ranking said, we have a lot of encroachers along the banks of some of these drains. And I think the local authority does ensure that these encroachers move away. We have heard that they've been paid. While they have been compensated, we have no reasons to be there.
And which Deputy Managing Director of that Dredge Masters are no Engineer Samuel Bokwe. Echere Muse, one more share a woman sacraye and a body bremu and say. A fee in Subetopa and senti, and you macona a crado. So be debate me be as a year, ensue engine far or manful.
I agree about the basketball with the say young man, I to say Amanane, Netherlands, because France now that we are cannot tell you we are. Amudianamu, both and see Lima Air Codeva. Obian to radio film. Yes, a Subina, and that way, not in so to talk, and fire.
Enipa mienu epra die mu odin yachi nipa mienu so won sase ho ntokwa akoso wo Gomu Abantama eye Millennium City wo Gomu East mensimu wo mfimfini mantem
asase wo kro yi mu Gomu feta asase Patrick Ndego oni asanto kwa beeda na o chidi beni asomdwe yin kro yi mu na Pentecost police fo mebu abado titiru one commander friend Commander Tanko our Pentecost police station commander I had to Buabado. Me kasi commander watch Patrick Ndego oni asanamidu na asase won tokwa awo paper ankrofo
Nana kwesi amwani ede ato police sanhene animu se omomodin ase mra ebeye adwuma pa esan se Patrick Ndego no wamamamfo a wonom etesa mpotamu hodomode abrabom wasetena ayedene ama wonom pa
me kasi wakofa nkofa abukotumo nan se Ndego we pra na mu yedin video ni na no dama insam trafo da GP me so won ka video no bia hwam Patrick Ndego oso kwesi alaji no ya langar kwesi alaji vetani bio o ye menua na me ntra ho me de bia na dija me brother de bia na dija ne brother me da ba me so do bio me na kusa mu yodi kan da mu kwa na
Minyira no sora Adom TV Badwam Kasiana no menfansi ha medase emrani adaje a wode maye yem komra na yem fada bon krata no any online de ntoso yenche yekwaba